Next key point is product of two improper fraction. The result must be is always more than each of the given two fractions. I am giving one example for that. 7 by 3 is one of the improper. Another one of the impropers I am taken as 5 by 2. Now I am going to multiply those two fractions. The result will be 35 by 6. 35 by 6 means this is also one of the improper. 35 divided by 6 we will get it 5 point something. 5 point something is greater than of 7 by 3. 5 point something is greater than of 5 by 2. That means 35 by 6 greater than 7 by 3 and 35 by 6 is greater than 5 by 2. That's I already told you. Okay. Next we will move for the next key point. Next key point is product of a proper and an improper fraction. The corresponding result is always less than the improper, but it will be greater than the proper fraction. I am giving one example for that. 2 by 3. This fraction is proper. Another one fraction 7 by 5. It will be improper. One will be proper, another one will be improper. I am doing this multiplication. 2 sevens are 14, 3 fives are 15. Now the result will be 14 by 15. 14 by 15 is less than 7 by 5, but 14 by 15 is greater than 2 by 3.
Start.
Okay children, we will move for exercise 2.3. First question. Question number 1. Find first one 1 by 4 of A, 1 by 4, B, 3 by 5, C, 4 by 3. In same way, they are asking one more problem. I am explaining for first one, second one will be homework for you. Now, solution of the first one. I already told you in last class itself, I told you once any fraction of another one means you have to multiply. Of operator means multiplication. So, first 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. Simply 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. You know the procedure of fractions multiplication. Just numerator multiply with numerator, denominator multiply with denominator. 1 ones are 1, divided by 4 fours are 16. This is the answer for 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. B subdivision 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. So, half operator means just multiply 1 by 4 into 3 by 5. 1 3s are 3, 4 5s are 20. This is the answer for 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. Finally, subdivision C. 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. Half operator means multiply 1 by 4 into 4 by 3. Here 1 4s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Look at the numerator and denominator. Both have the common divisor as 3. You just cancel the table of 3. Both the values commonly have 4. Just divide by 4. 4 by 4 will give you 1. 3 4s are 12. This answer for 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. Okay children, we'll move for question number 2. Multiply and reduce to lowest form if possible. In this question, you have 7 subdivisions there. Among the 7 subdivisions, I am going to do 3 problems. I am going to do first one, third one and fifth one. First one, 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. Now look at here, this is proper fraction, this is mixed one. So whenever we are multiplying mixed one means the mixed one will be changed into first of all improper. 2 by 3 into that mixed one you have to convert into the improper. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 by 3. Then you have to multiply numerator with numerator. 2 8s are 16, 3 3s are 9. This is one of the improper that can be converted into the now the question is lowest form. Lowest form means both the numerator and denominator must have the common divisor of 1. Now look at here, 16 and 9, both the numbers commonly have the divisor as 1. So that this is the lowest form of the result. Next we will move for the subdivision 3. 3 by 8 into 6 by 4. Both are, one is proper, another one is improper. So whenever proper and improper means we will directly multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. 3 6 are 18, 8 4s are 32. Now both the numbers commonly have the divisor as 2. So while cancelling table of 2, 9 2s are 18, 16 2s are 32. This is the lowest form of the result. Fifth one, 1 by 3 into 15 by 8. So 1 into 15, 15, 3 8s are 24. Now children, both the values commonly divisible by 3. So using the table of 3, 5 3s are 15, 8 3s are 24. This is the lowest form of the result. And now we will move for the question number 3. Question number 3. Multiply the following fractions. Multiply the following fractions. Here 7 subdivisions are. Among the 7 I am going to do 3 problems. First we move for first one. 2 by 5 into 5 1 by 4. I already told you, whenever we are multiplying fraction with another mixed one means, first of all you have to convert the mixed one into the improper. 2 by 5, that will be changed into improper. 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21, 21 by 4. 2 21s are 42, 5 4s are 20. Now look at the result. The result will be improper, so that we have to convert into the mixed one. How many 20s in 42 means 2 20s. 2 20s are 40, balance 2 by 20. Here look at that both the numbers commonly have the divisor of 2. So just cancel with 2, will get us 2 1 by 10. Third one, 3 by 2 into 5 1 by 3. Here also the second fraction is mixed one. So we have to convert into the first of all improper. 3 by 2. While making mixed one to improper means we have to multiply those two, then add with this. 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 1 16, 16 by 3. 3 16s are 48, 2 3s are 6. Both the numbers commonly divisible by 6 table. 8 6 are 48. Seventh one, 3 4 by 7 into 3 by 5. Now first fraction is, look at first fraction. The first fraction is mixed one. So we have to convert into the improper. 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 4 25, 25 by 7 into 3 by 5. So now look at here, 1 5s are 5, 5 5s are 25. 5 into 3 15 divided by 7 1s are 7. This is one of the improper. We have to convert into the mixed one. 2 7s are 14, 2 balances 1 by 7. Next we will move for the question number 4. which is greater? Which is greater? Here two subdivisions are. Among the two subdivisions, I am going to do one. I am going to do for first one. First one, 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. I already told you, whenever the operator is off means we have to multiply those two numbers. Here also there, that means we have to multiply those two. Among those two results, which is the greater value? That is our aim. First I am going to find out 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. 2 by 7 into 3 by 4. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 1 into 3, 3, 7 into 2, 14. Then I am going to find out 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. Simply equivalent to 3 by 5 into 5 by 8. 1 5s are 5, 1 5s are 5. 3 into 1, 3 divided by 8. Now look at those two values. Both the resultant have numerator as 3, but denominator is only changed. Whenever denominator value will be increases, the net value will be decreased. So that this is lesser value, this is greater value. Sir? Since 3 by 14 since 3 by 14 less than 3 by 8, that is 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 less than 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. Question number 5, 6, 7, 8. Homeworks. Thank you all.